Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling something super practical. How to sign into Workday for 2025. Workday is that all-in-one platform for managing your work life, from HR to payroll, and with the 2025 updates, it's even more user-friendly. Whether you're a new employee or just forgot your login routine, this quick guide will have you up and running in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're on a secure internet connection because security is key with these systems. Open your web browser and head to the official Workday website. You can type in workday.com or use the direct link provided by your employer. Check your company email for that. Once you're there, you'll see the login page. Enter your username, which is usually your work email or employee ID, and then type in your password. Pro tip: if you're on a new device, enable Remember This Device if your IT policy allows it to make future logins smoother. Now, if your organization uses two-factor authentication, and most do in 2025, you'll get a prompt on your phone or email. Just follow the instructions to verify it's really you. This adds an extra layer of security, so don't skip it. If you run into any issues, like a password incorrect error, double-check your caps lock or try resetting your password through the Forgot Password link. It's straightforward and usually sends a reset email right away. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your personalized dashboard. Take a moment to explore the new 2025 features, like enhanced mobile access or AI-driven task suggestions. They're game changers for productivity. And remember, if you're using the Workday mobile app, the process is almost identical. Download it from your app store. Log in with the same credentials, and you're good to go. There you have it. Signing into Workday is quick and painless with these steps. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.